Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Struggling with balance or waking up to painful cramps? What most people never realize is it might not be your age. It might be what's missing from your diet. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 essential nutrients your legs desperately need, and the truth about how one simple deficiency could be stealing your mobility without you even knowing it. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It fuels your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones that prevent falls. But most seniors are dangerously low. Less sunlight, less mobility, more instability. Restoring vitamin D can reverse muscle weakness and improve balance. Could this be the key to stronger legs without lifting a single weight? Number 2. Calcium. Calcium doesn't just build bones, it triggers every muscle contraction. Without it, legs cramp, twitch, and struggle to support your weight, but too much can clog arteries and cause kidney stones. The secret isn't how much you get, it's how well your body uses it. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Heavy, tired legs, numbness, tingling. These are signs your nerves aren't getting enough vitamin B12. As we age, we lose the ability to absorb it. A silent deficiency can mimic nerve disease and quietly destroy your mobility. Number 4. Magnesium. Waking up with leg cramps? You may be missing magnesium. It relaxes muscles, calms nerves, and prevents spasms. Stress, medications, and poor diet deplete it quickly. Restore it, and many report better sleep, more energy, and fewer cramps. Number 5. Potassium. That sharp calf pain or leg stiffness? Potassium may be the missing piece. It regulates fluid, supports contraction, and improves recovery. Bananas aren't the best source. There's a food that beats them and strengthens your bones too. Number 6. Vitamin K. Getting enough calcium? It won't matter without vitamin K. Vitamin K guides calcium to your bones and keeps it out of arteries and joints. Without it, calcium builds up in the wrong places. With it, bones stay strong and joints stay mobile. One fermented food is especially powerful for this. Do you know which one? Number 7. Vitamin B6. Do your legs feel heavy after just a short walk? It might be low with vitamin B6. B6 supports nerve signals, reduces inflammation, and helps deliver oxygen to your muscles. Without it, simple movement feels exhausting. With it, seniors report stronger steps, faster recovery, and more stamina. 7 nutrients. 7 ways to take back your strength after 60. But the real question is, which one is your body begging for right now? Your journey to stronger legs doesn't stop here. There's more you can do to protect your balance, rebuild muscle, and feel steady again. Stay tuned, because the next step could change everything.